Hey guys, this is another quick look for the seat of the CX500. I bought that seat from motorcycleseatdirect.com. I will add the link for the website in the description. It's a fair seat. There are some small little issues that I find a little bit disturbing. It's not perfectly aligned, and some of the stitches it's not in the right place, right position. But for $200, it's a fair seat. It's not leather, it's a vinyl. Some issues with the paint and the way they paint. They put the plate there and they paint it as is and didn't cover the nuts. And there was a after you take the plate off, you can see there's a unpainted surface. I don't like it. The seat is on the bike fairly nice, but it's not a perfect fit. We need to modify the tank as a result of that. But we'll see how we'll get forward with the build. The front part is the problematic part. It's a little bit narrow for the frame, so it's kind of like sitting on the frame and it doesn't really go down as it should be. I don't know, it's something you can live with. My CX, maybe it's not the right seat for my model. Maybe it's my bad, I don't know. Maybe it's just the seats like that. I already built the loop. I will upload the video about the loop and how the seat actually sit on the bike. This is the U-shape tube that I used cotton weld. You can see it's not perfectly roundish shape, but it's quite alright. If I knew that this is the situation and I will need to fiddle around with the tank, I will just basically build the platform by myself and just buy some leather and just customize it. I have an access to a stitching machine, so. But that's the way it is. I'm trying here to just see how I can adjust it before I try even to put it on the bike, just to be sure that it will get to a point that if I will align it perfectly, I will enjoy it and I will like it. I don't want to get to a point that I put it on the bike and then I don't like it. That's it basically. I like the color. As you know, in cameras it's a little bit tricky to see the real color. So we'll get forward with that, and the next video for the bike will be the seat U-frame, kind of like subframe U-shape assembling. So I hope to see you soon. I hope that you enjoy this quick video, and all the best. Ride safe, mates.